What's up everyone, MH here and welcome back to Creative Journey. Today's video I'm gonna do my first recommendation. No one is paying me to do this, I just really like the product. It's gonna be about the Brevite Photo Bag. So stay tuned for that. So I've been using this for over a month already. It's a small bag, but it looks small at least, but you can put a lot of things in here. It's just so comfortable. This bag guy, I mean, it will barely fit all my stuff in here, and I don't even have that much equipment. My lenses aren't that big. I usually just carry around something like this. This is like the biggest. The one I'm using right now is the biggest one I have. And it used to be like packed all the time, and I will have to pop out a bunch of stuff just to get my camera gear in here. And I don't know if you can see that in there. It's not much room for organizing or anything at all, honestly. This is just like the one that came with the camera. I mean, I can't complain, it was basically free. It did its work for quite some time. I want to say almost half a year, but I needed to do something actually comfortable and that honestly looked better. So I went for this bag guy right here, Brevite. They have like 12, 15, 20, 100 colors, I don't even know. It's really cool. I went with the plain black, that's my style. But you can go like with blue, yellow, I think they even have orange, different shades of green. It's pretty cool. You can go really personal with that. It's like small, but at the same time you can pack all your stuff. I usually have like 3 lenses, my camera, microphone, the little Joby tripod, you know, the Gorilla Pod, different small stuff like batteries and MD filters, obviously extra SD card, everything you can imagine. And you can pack it up here really quick. It comes with like these little pads. They are soft pads. You can bend them, and you can pretty much personalize how you want your bag to look. So you can make it so you can put your own stuff in here the way you want it. It's pretty cool. It has a small one in the front when I usually put like extra batteries and stuff. You got more space in here. If you're doing like a short trip, you could easily fit in here. Like the bottom part is going to be your camera gear, and at the top you can put like 1, 2, maybe 3 changes of clothes, maybe. And it also has your laptop compartment, which I don't actually use, but that's my fault. So you see, you can easily fit a Mac in here, 13 or 15, but my computer, well, it's not a Mac, it's a little bigger, and actually it's a different ratio. It's 16 by 10, 10 by 16, I don't remember the other right now. Anyways, so if you have like a really huge laptop like mine, not gonna happen. But your regular laptop should feel really good in here. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I just really like this bag. I got it for myself as a Christmas gift. Yeah, I give myself gifts. But seriously, it's a really good bag. If you're just starting out, you don't need like a huge bag, like I don't know, like a big design or something like that. Those bags are huge, but usually they have like these big ass cameras, and they have super huge lenses. I just carry around my Canon 90D. It's not small, but it's not that huge camera. It doesn't even have a grip, so it's not a big. And my lenses, like I said, they're not big. So this is pretty useful. I've seen bunch of professional photographers using it. But yeah, I really like this one. It's just so comfortable. And one of the best things that it has, this bad boy right here. You just open it up, you can get your camera out. You don't need to like put down your whole bag and open this, take it. No, you just open it up in here, take your camera out, and you're ready. Like I said, really good for traveling too, if you're not doing long travels, obviously, unless you have like a secondary bag. But you also have like a small zipper where you can put like passport, wallet, or whatever, your phone, if you're into putting your phone in there. Oh, and before I forget, you have these two right here at the bottom. You can like make them bigger or smaller depending on what you want to do. And this is usually so you get your tripod in here, so you got it within a hand. I'm gonna leave a link below. Like I said, I'm not getting paid, it's just for you to check it out. If you're starting out, this is perfect. If you've been doing photography for a while, you might have to check it out before making any purchases, because like I said, it does fit a lot of equipment, but it depends on how much equipment you carry around. But for someone like me, this is just perfect, and it's so comfortable, it looks nice. Most people won't know that this is a camera bag, so if you ever are in like a situation or a place where you think that people might want to take your stuff, they won't think that you're carrying in here a bunch of money, meaning equipment that costs a lot of money. But yeah, just wanted to do that quick video to show this and tell you guys, yes, it's a really, how many really was that? I don't know. Anyways, it's a really good bag, really comfortable, it's pretty. No one gonna steal your shit because no one gonna notice that you're carrying around a bunch of stuff. So go check it out, links below. That's it for me today. Another quick video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all the stuff, and I see you in the next one. Bye.